Recently I got a question from one of my students who actually purchased my maths book because he wanted to improve his foundations of learning math. And he said to me that that after he finishes reading my math book that he wants to start learning C++ programming from me, which is great. But he also told me that he's been trying to learn multiple programming languages at the same time. And I asked him why he was trying to learn multiple programming languages at the same time. And he told me that he gets excited that he wants to try and learn all these different languages at the same time. And what I can tell you is that trying to learn multiple programming languages at the same time it's a recipe for disaster. And the reason why it's a recipe for disaster is because when you're trying to learn multiple programming languages at the same time, you're not going to be able to master the foundations of each language. And you need to master the foundations of each language before you try and learn another programming language. Let's say, for example, that you're trying to learn C++, and if you don't master the foundations of C++, then you won't be able to understand Java or C# or Objective-C or those languages similar to C++ because you don't have that basic foundation of understanding the core fundamentals of the first language that you were trying to learn. And it's the same thing with trying to learn another language as well. It's almost the same scenario. There is somebody that I know who used to be an acquaintance of mine, not so much anymore. But this guy was trying to learn I think 8 or 9 different. He was trying to speak and write in 8 or 9 different European languages. So he was trying to learn Italian, Spanish, German, Swedish, Finnish, Maltese. What else is there in Europe? Serbian. Maybe Hungarian. I'm not sure about Hungarian, but my point is that he was trying to learn like 8 or 9 different European languages at the same time. And what I can tell you is that he didn't even master one. You know, the prick probably can't even speak one language. He probably can't even speak English as well. Yeah, I know. I didn't really, not really a big fan of the guy. But my point is that trying to learn multiple programming languages at the same time is just a recipe for disaster. So my advice is that if you want to learn more than one programming language, make sure that you have the foundations and that you understand at least one programming language and only move on to another. So let's say, for example, that you do understand at least one language. You understand at least the foundations of C and C++, and you want to learn web, and you want to branch out to Android development. Okay, well that's good then, because in Android development, uses Java and Kotlin. Because Java and Kotlin are very similar to C and C++, so that you should be able to easily soak up and also understand the foundations of Android development using Java. But as well as if you want to start learning web development, but you also have the foundations of understanding C++, then you can start branching out to learning JavaScript or Node.js. Do you see what I mean? You have the first foundations first, and then you move on to only one or 2 other programming languages. I would probably only say another 2. If you're going to learn another programming language, for me personally, it should only be 1 at a time. Because it's cool. It's trying to be cool and trying to say that you're a full stack developer where you know multiple languages and you can call yourself a jack of all trades, but you're actually a master of none. Isn't really good at all. And if you're trying to get a job and you say that you know all these languages, you're kind of just shooting yourself in the foot. So that's my take on trying to learn multiple programming languages. In short summary, master the foundations of at least one, and just try and learn at least another one, only one at a time. So there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please smash that like button and press the thumbs up. And if you enjoy my content, please subscribe to my channel, because I'll be having a lot more content coming out very soon. Attention computer science and engineering students. Are you tired of falling asleep in class while your lecturer spills out C++ gobbledygook? My name is Sahil Bora, and I'm the founder and proprietor of the C++ Better Explained website. What I'm offering you guys today is my 87-page book that outlines how to quickly and master the fundamentals of the C++ programming language. If you've been searching around for free YouTube videos that haven't made any sense at all, or free C++ tutorials online that have made you want to gouge your eyes out, my book will put all of that to rest today, because my book is written in a straightforward and direct manner using my learning tools such as Analogies for Dummies, visual code diagrams, and simple code documentation that will get you learning and understanding the C++ programming language in a matter of days. The book is $9, and what I want you guys to do is to click on the green button below and pick up a copy today. You will not regret this at all.